Hello. Yes, we welcome you to PSSB with me, Richard here. Where the question says that draw Lewis diagram for each of the molecule below. Okay. The first one is hydrogen. Okay, we are having hydrogen molecule here. What does this mean? That you have H. And what do you know about H? H has atomic number 1. So it has 1 electron in the outermost shell, which we represent as that. So if you have another one, H coming here like this, it will bring its outer electron there. Now, when these two electrons come together, they form the bond. So what you have here is the Lewis diagram for hydrogen molecule. Yeah, the second one is fluorine. You have to know that fluorine has 7 valence electrons. It belongs to group 7, which some people call 17. So it has 7. And how do you do it? You have F with the 7 electrons distributed around it. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Then you have another fluorine. Now, this one has 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, what you see here is the covalent bond between 2 fluorine atoms. Yes, we come to water. Okay. What do you know about water? Water has a central atom, which is oxygen. Oxygen belongs to group 6, which some people call 16. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this implies that oxygen has 2 unpaired electrons. So these unpaired electrons pair, each one pair with hydrogen. And that is it. This is the Lewis diagram for water. Yeah, then we come to this one, ammonia. What do you know about this one? You know that ammonia has nitrogen as the central atom. And nitrogen belongs to group 5, which in some circles is called 15. So you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, with that, what does that mean? It means that nitrogen has 3 unpaired electrons. You have to know that bonding forms between unpaired electrons. So nitrogen has the capacity to form 3 bonds. Okay, 1 comes here and it bonds with hydrogen. This hydrogen contributes that one, and this one contributes that one. So that is the Lewis diagram for ammonia. Yeah, then we come this one, CH4, which you call methane. So it has carbon as the central atom. Carbon belongs to group 4 or 14 according to some people. So if it belongs to group 4, it has 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. If that is true, Then you need to know that there are 4 hydrogen attached. So each hydrogen comes and donate that electron. This one comes like that. So this is the Lewis diagram for methane. Yeah, then we come to hydrogen fluoride. What do we know? We know that hydrogen has only 1 valence electron. Meanwhile, fluorine has 7. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What do you see? Fluorine has 1 unpaired electron. So it pairs it with this one. It pairs up with this one to give you H dot X fluorine. Then you count 1. Yeah, that is the molecule. Yeah, then we come to this one. It says draw Lewis diagram for each. Okay, here we have oxygen as the central atom. So we can say oxygen. But we know oxygen belongs to group 6. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what does that mean? That oxygen has 2 unpaired electrons which it can form bond with. So what does that mean? That our fluorine will come here and also there. Then we can distribute the remaining what? Electrons. Yeah, that is that. Then we go to hypochlorite acid. Okay, when you analyze this molecule, what do you notice? You notice that oxygen is the central atom and has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it on one side it bonds with hydrogen. On the second side it bonds with chlorine. But we have to know that chlorine has 7 valence electrons. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, that is that. And with that, I would like to say thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB with me, Richard, here. Don't forget to subscribe, to comment, to like, to share. And we also have to remind you that this channel deals with physical sciences grade 12, 11 and 10, and natural sciences grade 8 and 9. Okay? What does that mean? It means that with that wide scope, you cannot go and use the video, that you'll become confused. So what do? You go to the playlist and select the material which belongs to your level. With that, I would like to say thank you. God bless you. Bye-bye.